Alright, so I got it to where I could barely tug on the paper. Let's see what it does. Because I really think it's pretty much the first layer. That's the problem, man. You get the first layer to start, you're good to go. It also keeps changing the bed temperature. And I don't know why. Oh, look at that. That looks actually a lot better. Damn, stringing like crazy. I wonder if my temperature is just too high. Ah, man, look at that stringing. Damn it. There's not a lot I can do about it. I could stop the print. Should probably cause more damage than good. Man. And that crap is like stringing and it's getting like stuck. There we go. Let's get that out of there. This is a printer you gotta babysit. Yeah, it already screwed up. I just think like maybe it's just not really good with petg at all. Boy, that is some major stringing. We're also using really old filament. Let me go here and see. Pause. We'll go pause. Let's just see if we can get some of this stuff off of here. Looks pretty bad. It dragged through this thing. Let's just get this off of here. I'm going to try. I just know that this stuff is not good. We'll go ahead and stop. Extrusion. What I do, I just yank it out. I just pull it right out. But you can do it. Let's see here. Out. It doesn't go very fast though. Alright, let's go back in here. Let's get our extrusion. I'm gonna try, I think maybe 200? Because this is PLA Pro we're gonna try now. Alright. We wait for it to get to our temperature. And, well, you can't see it. This is my other one I'm used to where I can see it. Okay. 142. So the best thing you probably could do to this thing would be to change the hot end. As soon as it gets 180, you should be able to probably... Let's see here. At 190. We want to make sure that we get enough of it out of there that we don't have petg in there still. And I usually use something to try and get the crap off the end of it, because what happens is as you're printing, see all this crap building up on here, and it can string and screw up your print. So, you know, I'm not like the print master. I just have learned many things the hard way. So, and I just do it because it's a lot of fun. That's one of the reasons I like 3D printing. And I like to burn my fingers, guys. It's great. Alright. Let's go to print. And see if all of a sudden it just likes some PLA Pro. You never know. It might say, man, I'm so happy. Okay, temperature. Let's see. Options. Temp. Hotbed. What do we get? Is it gonna work? It just knocked it up when it went by. I don't know if you guys saw that. Like as it went by, it kicked it up, folded it over. I don't know. Seems like it might be printing a little fast. We still have the stringing going on. Well, I guess that means our temperature is probably too hot. Oh my god, it's way too hot. Holy crap, we were on 220. So it was trying to print what was written to it earlier. Let's just see if reducing the temperature helps smooth this thing out. Yeah, it was like 220. That's way too high usually for PLA. Kind of jerky. I don't know. This says 190 to 220, 40 to 60. So it definitely seems to be doing a whole lot better with the PLA Pro. Now, I'm not really sure if PLA Pro is really a gimmick or if it's just, you know, what. But it'll be fine for what I'm doing on this. But I try to not print with it. I try to use petg for everything. But also I usually print in an enclosure because I run into nothing but nightmares without one. And it's wintertime, so yeah. I really enjoy 3D printing in the wintertime. That's kind of when I started learning it. And I bought a bunch of computers, a bunch of printers right away. I bought an Ender V3, a 3v3 or whatever the hell, you know. And it was damaged, so I had a lot of issues with that. I think I printed with these for about a month before I ordered the Ender. And the Ender, I ended up using it for almost a month before I finally returned it on Amazon, which was really kind of a pain in the butt. And then I ordered the SV07. Wait, no. I ordered the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro, I think, first. And then I ordered the SV07, which I probably shouldn't have. I have it over here. They're extremely similar. As you can see, I have another one of these printers over here. This one's still got the glass bed on it. Creality glass bed. This one here, honestly, could be a really good printer, but it has some problems, and I'm not really sure why. It's kind of like hard to use it sometimes. But the clipper on it is too fast for its own good. Maybe it needs more input shaping stuff. I just kind of try to print and not get too technical with fiddling with it. I had better luck with the Elegoo Neptune 4, but I needed to slow down my acceleration on both of these machines. So, and then I have this one here. This is out of the 3 Ender 3s that I had. This is the one I decided to keep, and I did direct drive conversion. My friend Dave gave me all these Ender 3 printers and lots of filament, and The printers were all broken, and I don't remember what was wrong with this one. I think the computer was bad or something, and I was able to fix the loose capacitor on the board and get it working again. But anyway, that one there is probably a little bit easier to use than this thing. The only reason to use this is big stuff. Like, the cable management on this thing is really horrible. And, you get the cables all sitting there back there. It's just kind of a pain. But as we see here, like, petg really can be quite difficult to print on certain printers. I think this one here, the hot end is just, like, maybe not the greatest or something. Or maybe it's the settings, the retraction, like... I don't know, these printers do a whole lot better with PLA. That's just been my experience. So, as you can see, we started out a little bit funky, but that was because we were at 220 degrees Celsius, which is, in my opinion, too hot for PLA. I think PLA you can probably go as low as 180 maybe sometimes. And, I don't know if the parts cooling fan is on, or if I'm listening to the other fan or what I'm listening to. But I wanted to go back to like what I started with and just do some printing on that. So anyway, we'll do a couple more things on this and just see, you know, mess around with it. And then eventually we're going to take it apart and we're going to go clipper. So stay tuned.